Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jeffree. How you're doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. First and first, my voice is it's very sore. Not my voice, I mean my throat is very sore, and this is affecting my voice, so it might be high pitch, low pitch, bass pitch. I hope you can hear me clearly, okay? I'll try as much as possible to speak louder. It feels good to come back and do some makeup look and makeup reviewing, kind of like make me want to feel good kind of situation. So without me talking too much, I'm just gonna go straight on to today's video. As you can see from the title already, I will be reviewing the Jeffree Star concealer and Jeffree Star setting powder. This is a new release. I think it was released between April and May, something like that. I cannot have a clue, but anyway, this is new, and now I got the opportunity to try it. In the past, I've had Jeffree Star products such as the eyeshadow palette, the androgyny palette. I really love that palette. I still use it to date, but probably like rarely. I love this product. I love this makeup. So since I received this product, I haven't even swatched it or even brought it out from the packaging, so I really don't know what it look like. First things first, this is the packaging right in front of me. Very pink with a very detailed design, and obviously this shade is C21. Okay, I don't know what way to remove this concealer, but if you see from the bottom, it's coming out very stuck, like I have to pull something out. I don't know. Okay, I just think I have to read. So this is a delicate makeup product, and this is a delicate concealer. Unusual shape, a unique shape at that, and I like it. I don't know how this is very fancy, unique. So I don't know how it's gonna last. I probably have seen a lot of reviews saying that the top bit where it got the star breaks easily, quickly and easily. If you're a careful person, I think it will last, but if you're really rough and not careful or very clumsy person, that will break quickly. And I also got a powder. It's very pink, and I don't know, it's coming off too bright in the camera, so I'll probably have to bring it out from the packaging. Right, yeah. Again, this product are so unique and beautiful, and first impression, just looking at it alone, I love it. And I got the shade in the powder called Banana. So before I start applying this on my face, let me quickly read what this concealer is all about and this powder is all about. So Magic Star Concealer, our unique creamy eye coverage liquid concealer formula, comes in over 30 shades. Helps even out skin tone, as 20% pigment, and can cover tattoos. Anti-aging properties help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, increase wear time, and self-setting effect keeps you looking flawless for hours. So they're saying this is a full coverage, very pigmented, and is lightweight and blendable, cover blemishes, dark circles, discoloration. It's kind of like a satin matte finish. I don't know yet until I try it. Ranging from C1 to C30. So, yep, I believe it's 30 shades. So probably will be over 30 shades. In UK, this concealer retail for about, how much? £21. And in US, this retail about £22. Let's read what it's all about. This is an ultra fine setting powder. Creasy, what? Can't relate. Get the flawless finish. Designed to blot imperfections on all skin types. Keep oil at bay and lock makeup in place. Super fine and weightless. This luxury powder is available in 8 tonic shades for the ultimate airbrushed effect. So the powder is available in 8 good shades, I believe, ranging from light to dark, and I probably am in the middle because I got a shade called Banana. And the claims is that it blurs out imperfections, it's there's no creasing. It's good for all skin type, like so many good things about this product. You know, everyone's skin is different, so some people's skin it might be all that, some might be problematic, so mine is in between, depending on what my face is feeling like. This product cost £21 again, in UK, in US £22, and all these products are available from the Jeffree Star website, BOUT in UK, and probably other shops in America. Like, first things first, open it. Ooh, wow, got really nice wand there. You know, you guys can see it. I love the wand and the applicator. This is a doe foot applicator with a unique shape and style. Swatching, I'm going to do first swatch in the back of my hand. Okay. There we go. I like this concealer already. It's very smooth at the back of my hand, and I can't wait to put this on my face. You know, gorgeous. So this is the shade C21, and it's a medium to deep skin with golden yellow undertone, so which I do tend to have, because I do have like yellow to golden undertone, sometimes oily, sometimes neutral. It just depends on what foundation I'm using and how is that concealer complementing the foundations. Unless if I don't have a variety of concealers, I might be going towards to the cooler tones, but mostly my concealer is golden, warm golden to yellow undertones. So yep, I like this, and as you can see, my makeup is done. My foundation is laid. I use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Chai. I love the foundation, you know. So I'm gonna use this concealer on top of it, and let's see how it works. Ooh, that is pretty light. Don't that go too light? I think sometimes I do like when I'm buying my concealer, I do go too very light. Looking at it now, it do complement my skin, but I think I should have gone with C22. C22 got deep skin with golden orange undertone. I didn't pick that because it got an orange undertone. Let me just apply this on my face, and let's see how well it blends out and it cleans. It smells like concealer, so which is not too bad, not too good either. So it does not have like a very harsh perfume or scent to it. You know, I just dip in. I like full coverage kind of situation. Not so bad. I've used way lighter concealer before, so I can always work this out. So I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend these. Literally, this is all I have to use. So I normally start blending from my jawline, just because there's no product on the sponge and I need to get product on the sponge, just in case I go to the rest part of my face, it will move and blend instead of like, not really moves, but it will blend, but instead of like moving, like removing the product, it's blending good. Yeah, I think that's my problem. I always go for lighter concealers, you know. I know I do work it with contour foundation, but I really don't like concealer too light. It's my fault, I know, but I always think that it will be what I want, but it's too light. This concealer is just as light as the e.l.f. concealer, you know, the one with olive. Yes, that's just the way I feel about it. They bought a nice product. That is nice. This is nice too, but it's just too light for my liking. In a way, I can see more of the yellow than the golden. The concealer in my forehead is moving. Each time I blend and come back to blend, it just moves around. I don't know if you can see my forehead. Okay, let me get closer to you. Going to blend underneath the eyes. I don't know about full coverage. I am not seeing no full coverage. Like, this concealer is just moving. It's moving. It's not staying put, it's just like making a mess of my face. I want to like it, but I can't like it if it's rubbish. So when my battery died, I just decided to go ahead and make sure I blend everything well. I did went ahead to use my contour brush. I do have some like product left on it to make sure I blend out any harsh line, any patchy on my face. But so far, this is how the concealer blended on my skin. It looks nice, it looks good, but it's not full coverage, like honestly. And I'm really creasing underneath. Although yes, I haven't baked it yet, but sometimes I've used a lot of concealers. You guys know I'm a concealer freak and I love buying concealers, using it. So I know when a concealer is good, that I love, like, but these I can see my, even there's the spot underneath. Like I said, I want to like it, but I don't have to put a lot of products on my face to know what is good, what is not good. I'm not saying it's not good, I'm just saying it's not working well for my skin. Okay, I just had a little bit of product just underneath where I do see my spots, and blending that area out really well. The fact that when I blend, it leave a patch of the beauty blender, that's what I don't like. I remove the product. My beauty blender is damp. Okay, this is not my first time using this shit. Having more product underneath my eyes did help it a little bit to stop creasing, but still it's not full coverage. It's medium to full coverage buildable. It's not literally just full coverage. So you can build it up to full coverage, but this product is buildable. It's not straight out from the packet full coverage. There's a lot of product out there that do straight out of the pack full coverage. This is medium to full coverage. So next we need to bake our skin, like set this makeup, set this skin in place. And this is in the shade Banana, like I said before. Yeah, I love the what's it call it on the front, the packaging in the front, and the logo opening up. Oh, look at that! It's kind of pretty. Slide up to open. First of its kind, I've not seen a powder that like you slide it to open. This gives me those seasoning, like there's some salt or seasoning that you slide like this to open to bring out the product. This is giving me that vibe. In terms of makeup and setting powder, there's nothing like that. I've removed the protective paper. Ooh, and you pour it into a cup. Ooh, powder smells really nice. Like there's a perfume to it, but it really smells nice and good. So the powder is a bit deep yellow. It's not light as light, but it's a bit deep. So I don't know how deep it is on my skin. So first and first, I go back with my beauty blend to make sure my under eye is creaseless before I bake it, because I don't want it to crease before baking. So I'm going to use one side with a brush to bake, and the other side with a beauty blender to bake. So I'm using this my Morphe 111 tapered brush. Oh, the perfumes. Hold on. Oh wow. Although the powder smells nice, but it's dangerous to the nose. Like I'm breathing it in and it's very harmful. There's some perfume that you smells and it's good. This is harmful to my nose. Like I can't breathe. I don't can breathe. Over to this side and beauty blender. Ooh. Okay, so just making the areas I apply the concealers, So looking at my face, I love how the powder is. Literally, it's not too like bright, it's not too dark, but it's just okay. This reminds me of the Sasha Buttercup powder, just like that. I just think the same, maybe the same thing. You know those fake hair freshener you spray and you feel like coughing? That's exactly what I feel from the powder. But apart from the smell, I think it's really nice. So I'm gonna let this bake for like 1 minute, and I'll go ahead to like finish the rest of my face, do my eyebrows, lipstick, and whatever, and come back and tell you how I feel about this product. I am not doing a wear test product. I'll be back, guys. Welcome back, guys. This is our finished look. How are we looking? We're pretty? Yes or no? I decided to just go for a no makeup look. This is an easy look and I don't want too much about it. There's no eyebrows, no eyeshadow, but the rest things there's blush, there's contour, and there's highlight, a very soft highlight, and I'm having a lip gloss on, so it's like it's my no makeup look. So what do we think about this face right now? It's good, not bad. I like it to say. I like the finish of the look. I think when I applied the powder, it actually cancels out any lighter tone of the concealer because the powder was a bit of a dark shade. So this gives the concealer on my face a bit of warmth, and when removing the powder from the face, it actually make my face and my skin flawless looking, pretty, you know, kind of blurry out. Yeah, I do believe blurring out the skin, but about imperfections I really don't know that, because after dusting off the powder and spraying my face, if I look closely, I can still see my mark, my dark mark patch, or god mark, or as I call it. My eyes is not creasing as I was expecting through the concealer, so it's not creasing, it's good, but it can crease. Okay, don't say can't relate, it can't crease, but it's not creasing. So it depends on how you apply the makeup and how you use the powder. I love the powder, but the only thing I don't like about the powder is the perfume. So I don't know if I'm going to be using this product more often. Products that I do test that, then I don't feel good about it, I just leave it at the back of my other products, just like something I won't touch in a longer while. I don't know, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if I would use this product because of the smell. I can't be coughing or sneezing all the time when I use it. This is a really long lasting concealer for sure. I'm not the type that take makeup in my bag to everywhere, so I'm not expecting this top bit to break. So but it's gonna last me really long, and I'm not gonna use it often. This is gonna be my concealer I use in topping up other concealer, and I don't know how it will feel or it will look like or it will blend on top of other concealer, but I will be trying this again in the future on my channel. Just look out for that. In terms of my skin, I do tend to like, my skin is in between medium to tan and to dark skin tone. So I can be medium skin tone at some point, use a very light concealer. I can be tan, need a very warm and golden concealer or foundation. Oh, I can be deep. I hope you guys love this video. If you do, leave your comments below, slap a like in this video, you know, thumbs up, again, subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, bye fam, and I will see you soon. Peace.